What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
All murderer. Police them come the wrong time. Police them come the wrong time.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. So right about now, my viewers and subscribers, me I tell us, boy, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But this is before me even start the vlog, people. I just want to say my deepest condolences to all the family, parents, everyone, you understand, who are mourning the loss of this 6-year-old girl, people, who passed away pertaining to those who, I don't even know if it's said, people, because I don't even know if it express and say this thing, you know what I mean? I know when information are come to the attacking boss now, people, and it is said that the perpetrator behind this people is a man who is in his 60s. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, and the people in his 60s, you know. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. People may even can't find words to put them together good. You know what I mean? If you know, say another old thinking, same thing. This, yo, remember the people. The police will get cut down the other day, you know, and then say the perpetrator who's behind it, people. 50-year-old, right? And see it now, people. And one in the 60s a strike. Alright, let me just read this thing so I get a better understanding of how the whole thing go on. You know what I mean? With the 60s, something in the 60s. Oh, yo, Jaja. A man in his 60s is said to be the suspect behind the fatal shooting of the 6-year-old girl in Texlin, Central Kingston on Monday. Reports from sources in the area are that the man reportedly made a homemade gun and was at a premises testing the weapon when it went off and struck young Timora McCollum. The child was rushed to hospital where she was pronounced. Police have since launched a search for the suspect. See? So the same thing on our people. Do something like this. See? Bill a homemade same thing. Same I test it, my people. I test it, you know. It managed to go off people and struck the little. Yo, you see him, wait there now. Where it there? More know where it there. Where it there? Which part it there? See? And the body now, some people, them not in the heart because me know they will come, NEWLINK is an accident. Accident, we mean by accident. Where it a build that around where it know all the kids around the yard for. In the age of 60, where it a build what made for do? Where my build what made for do in the 60s? You know, say all trouble, all trouble this, you understand? All same thing and now, yo, never sit me and hurt me, you know, people. I went for hear the age disclose and them say, yo, the man in them 60s, people. Zine. And a bill homemade and a test it. Crow roaster crow. I wish my people can hear the roaster crow, no man. Crow roaster crow. And this same thing you know. We are the same thing. Which part you hide? And then before roaster roast there. And a joke thing, which part you there? Anybody who know where it they need to give it up to the police. You understand? Because number one, it has no right to be making no homemade same thing. He are no right people. Zine, where ma make if you go do? For protection, for one, where ma make one if you go do protection, where you ma make it if you go do people. Zine, at the age of 60, when you should not think about something constructive and for nurture the younger one them, you are think for make something. You know say you are destruction. You know say you are consumption, you are ramsumption, you are confusion. Zine, and anyway they attack for you. Straight attack my people, beat them out pan it, attack wait there. Let it go. Zine. Let it go. Police on the horn feet and find it. Look pan the look, me say people, they look a picture of the little girl so nice. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Just imagine how her fellow classmate going through, her teachers at the primary school. Just imagine her parents. Even people all around the world who don't know her people. Just imagine how them feel it like how the attacking boss feel it. And all yesterday, people, when I saw the news and the article, my viewers and subscribers, I did a vlog. And you see, when we get them information, the people, because yesterday, nobody never get no age disclosure of the perpetrator. Don't go say somebody with basically that illegal and police are doing police and that. But no, when them information are come, people, me and have to come someone take the vlog for yesterday and dash in a garbage before me release it and come and launch another attack. Zine, because me want the attack. Now me know the age of the same thing with them people in the 60s. In the 60s, Zane. So you see it, people, are the same thing me doing at the vlog, you know. The way me talk about with the police and I say, look at them, man, we worry a lot about the younger generation, say them this and them that. We worry so much about them. But sometimes if we don't even know, say, yo, as some of them older there, you know, some of them older the way say people, them are trouble, you know, them are problem. People, let me pause and give you a word from my sponsor. You know NEWLINK and Islandwide Express go way back. Our sponsor today is Islandwide Express. If you are Jamaican living anywhere in the world, whether England, Canada, US, Cayman Island, you can shop from your phone or computer and buy anything on the internet and have it shipped directly to your doorstep in Jamaica. And if you have a box and you have packet already, just simply send it to the facility in Florida and it will go straight to your doorstep in Jamaica. They ship packages big and small. If you want to send something to your people for the holiday season, check out Islandwide Express. You can see them on IG, YouTube, and Facebook. They have done loads of delivery videos. Give them a follow, Islandwide Express. Just check below in the description for all the necessary links. Islandwide Express, and them we are work with. Enough of them old lady people and then corrupt the local youth them, you know. You understand? Enough of them are them lay the local youth them in certain things, you know. Yes, me not go say everyone in the people, but a lot of times are them old other people corrupt the youth them and lead them to certain things. See, because when you look at a situation like this now, my viewers and subscribers, and look upon a same thing now in the 60s, yes, same thing, who vex, who want launch attack upon me back, take it back. See, this same thing and now this thinking same thing, you know, you feel offended by it, so be the case, Zine, because that's what it get. If it never gonna mix in a home or something, the NEWLINK attack it, no, but we gonna mix in a home at same thing now, people. Cause problem, cause trouble, people, and see where it reach to people, say it a test it. If you build a home or something, people, why you are gonna come some and go test it around where no kids there? Why you are going to test it like that, people? You not try to find yourself in some hoodland. Try to find yourself in some trenches and some, you know what I mean, far away from society, far away from people and go test your thing. Or go test it by yourself. Go test it by yourself then, if I say you want to do the case. But in the end now, you say your test, maybe you don't know this and go pull this and pull that and in that. Blow it. See it, the people? You see it, people, honestly? Boy, actually, you don't even know me, people. That's why I say, yo, we need some harsher punishment in Jamaica for certain things, people. No, we need some harsher punishment, people. We'll have them too soft. We'll have them too pity. We'll have them too nice, people. So that's why people never check them do anything nowadays. They not check because them know 2 toes, they can't burn it off. When I see man comes about my ear, say, charge 2 counts at these people, and yes, then sentenced to 15 years. Look at them or something there. Look at our country where we got people. Man, Jaja sees, Jaja knows attacking, boss. But some feel it, people. Nice little young one gone, you know. And this is not the first things like them happen in Jamaica. Our leaders, them just still stay blind. They still stay dumb and have the same thing keep on repeating. Because them know what. For them family don't secure already, you know, them the uptown while we they don't turn, you know, people in the trenches and the trenches, you know. Them the we uptown, you know, the gated community where security there from all angles and camera, the hope left, right, center, you know, people. Soldier them on top of roof all over, watching them and protect them, you know, people. But we know are the one to stop them and I go through all of these people. How much more we are going to allow until we kind of find some better law, get some stricter law, implement some stricter law. If it don't work, then, you know, but try something new. We just step on the same page over and over again. People have so much life. It come like when I set this plan for people lose them life. Can't no one make no changes. I never see nothing happening in this world, people, where we keep on having the same thing. People life being taken away, people, and we keep on repeating the same system over and over and in our work. Implement newer laws. Implement something new, something harsher. Try something new. Too much enough is enough now. Zane, enough is enough now. Just imagine a parent right now have her little 6-year-old and I look upon her, you know, and I say, could that be you, you know? Just look at it, people. Something you see people around the premises, around the yard, people, you don't know what them are doing. You know, something you see them hitch up on one corner, hitch around there, so people look out, you know, watch them, you know, people, be careful of them, you know. You know, them are not this and not do that, you know, people. Not go look where them are doing, you know. Zine, go look where them are do, people, because you never know 2 toes you gonna see you knock. Then don't get blood eye, bukush, to push. Somebody that 3 points gone. Officers, me I beg you, please do some checks. Do some search, which me know no soon find it, officers. Me want to deal with that way, or the residents them in the community. Boy, me not people, honestly, me not no leniency, me not no heart towards it. Zane, them could have see an accident, people, it was by mistake. Accident, no mistake, no did it. Where it a bill it for, where it a go do with it. Where I tell me say, one if a protection, one it can't protect nobody. Where it a do with it, where it a bill it for people, you know, see all cooks and thief. Where it a bill it for? You know how much of them a go the bill and a supply to much people? Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. My people, big up on yourself, and again, I want to send out my deepest condolences to the family of this 6-year-old people, sadly, who passed away, and may our soul rest in peace, my people. And for everyone who know Timora McCallum do have a moment or time to share with our people, you understand, my deepest condolences to you all. So all me ask you all, for my viewers and subscribers, please, just to show some love to the family, you understand, and the condolences, just please leave some black art in the comment section, people, you know what I mean? Just leave some black art, my people, and show your love, show your, you know what I mean? Just show some love, people, show some love, because only Jah sees and he knows. My people, big up on yourself. Please remember to do like, do share, and do comment, people, and don't forgot to subscribe. You understand? Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, NEWLINK Production, Attacking Boss Official, my people. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support, my people. Boy, me tell the people that the same thing there anywhere the NEWLINK our attack.